Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will gonna see how to create a GIS based map in Excel only. Not even a GIS based map, basically you can even create a time series GIS animation in only Excel. And even also you can extrude the height of a feature based on the heights. So basically even you can say a 3D map kind of thing also you can create in Excel. So suppose if you have any data such as state level data, district level data, and at any administrative level data in Excel, such as population or COVID cases, anything. So very quickly, in a matter of seconds, you can create this kind of, as you can see on the screen, you can create this kind of map in Excel very quickly. There is no need to download the shape file or no need to use the open source software or any GIS software to join the basically attribute data with the shape file and then create a map. So this Excel you need to have internet connection only, because this data use Bing geodata for geocoding your attributes for your state name or district name or whatever it is. And even also if you have any latitude longitude data in Excel and you have rainfall or temperature data for corresponding latitude longitudes, so you can even create a heat map out of it. So we'll see three kind of things. First, we will see this kind of data. If you have any state name, district name, you have any data, COVID cases or population, so how to create a map. Then we will see how to create heat map kind of thing based on latitude longitude data if you have rainfall or temperature. And third, also if you have COVID cases, such kind of data for each and every date, for each and every state, so how you can create an animation kind of thing also. So we'll see all these three things. So for that, first what we will do, you must have data in Excel. Like first I will see this USA population. I have any Excel. We will open this Excel. So as you can see, I have only two fields. One is state, one is person. So just you select all this data and you just go in the home, insert, and there is an option called 3D maps. You just click on the 3D map. Okay, let me close it. I will open a new, just create a new tool. So now it has opened a globe, 3D globe kind of thing. And it has basically automatically geocoded based on the names using the Bing data. So here you can modify it, like it is what if I delete this. So what you can do, you can add field, you can select state. So under drop down you can use anything. So you just select state or province name. So automatically it will geocode it based on the name. It will try to match the name. And here it is showing the confidence interval of 97%. So you select this. If you have any shapefile also or camel file, you can select the shapefile. So it will try to automatically join the attribute with your shapefile. But right now, no need of that. You just select this state and province data. Here it is. If you have county data, you just select county. So I have state data, that's why I'm selecting state. So it is showing 97% of the confidence interval. So as you can see right now, it is in point data. So here you can select different kind of data, such as like these circles and this and this. So select polygon. This one is the polygon. It has given the color blue color to it. After that you can categorize it, such as if I select state, so it will categorize each and every state. It will give the different color to each and every state based on the value. Okay, like this. And also here you can use the flat map. It will create the flat map of it. Okay, now even just close it. You can even, based on the value, you can create a Choropleth map kind of thing, such as if you select this person, so it has classified based on the population value. And after that, in the layer option, you can change the color and all. Like let me give it red. Here color scheme I can change like this. You can select the opacity of it. So very quickly, instead of showing simple statistics, very quickly you can create a map like this. You create capture screen and you can copy paste in a presentation like this. So very quickly you have created a map from the Excel without any GIS software, without any shapefile, and it is very good way to represent your data. There is another way of showing the data also. Like if you select this, so it has basically given the radius of the circle based on the person or attribute. So if you want to show both the things, so first what you can do like this, and then you can basically add one more layer Okay, this is layer number 2. So in the layer number 2, what you can do, you can select the circles and you can select the field size of the circle based on the persons. So you have both the things now. And under the layer option, you select the color of your choice. Let me select this. So now you have both the things, even the circle, the radius of the circle, and you have the color also. So like this you can, and you have both the you can have both the legends also like this. Like this. Also you can see this in the, if you uncheck this, so you can have a 3D kind of map like this. But let me go for flat only, flat map. So like this you can even have a snapshot capture screen. Just click on the capture screen and you can copy paste this. So how fast it is, you don't, earlier what we used to do, we used to download the shape file, then we join the data, open QGIS or any software, then we export it. So for presentation, for showing the data, it's very quick basically using Excel. So like this you can do, you can switch on and switch off like this. And there is another way of representing is like this, like you can give the height based on the population like this. So you have selected this bar chart, height, you have selected, then you just close it. You can add again, you can add persons, even you can give a different color to different state. Category, you just give different color, and here you can basically give the height, thickness of this also. So as you can see now, you were able to create a 3D kind of thing and on the globe like this. And also you can change here themes. There is an option, you can use the aerial view like this. So it's depend, let me use this only. So like this, and here also I think map labels you can use, and you can click, you can get the information. So you can again capture screen and you can simply save it. So like this, it's a very good way of representing your data very quickly without any geographic data, only using geocoding only. So let me go again for flat map. You can click anywhere, you'll get the information about that. Let me go for this. You can click here, you can directly do this. You can click and you can get the information about this. And also there is an option for heat map, but I think heat map is not good. Heat map is very good for rainfall or those kind of data, I think. So I will show you next also how to do that. This heat map kind of thing. So this is about the, if you have any population data for the state or district, even if you have any county data, so automatically it will, even you can join with the shapefile. I will show you next also. So this is about if you have very categorical data or very small data. So I will close this because we have already saved this. Now second thing what you will gonna see is if you have any temperature or any rainfall, any data, like I will show you in case of, okay, I have rainfall data for 365 days and total rainfall also for the whole year for the India country at grid level at I think 0.25 grid, 25 kilometer. So I will show you how, very quickly, how to create a map out of it. Like suppose this is your data, this is longitude, latitude, x and y, this is 1 2 means day, at particular day what is the rainfall, and finally I have added it like total rainfall of the year. So we will see how to do that. So first we will select the data, control shift and down. So we have selected all the data, just you have to go insert 3D map. So if you have temperature data or any this kind of data, so you can create a heat map out of very quickly. So it's a very big data, it may take some time to open. So let me close all the earlier tours. I will open a new tour. I will create a new tour. So this is our tour. So here it is. So first we will add the location. We do the geocoding. So in location, you just add field. You select the XY field. So I will select the X field. So it will ask what it is. It is latitude, longitude, what it is, country, region. So it is basically longitude. Then I will add field. I will select Y. Then I will select it is latitude. So now as you can see, if I zoom in, so it is grids basically. So I will modify it, just I will close this. So now there is an option, you can give height, category, whatever you want to do. So here I will select this. This is the heat map. And let me go for flat map first. This is the heat map. Now select the value. So you can select, let me go for day 1. What is the rainfall? So it is showing, okay, at day 1, this is the region where rainfall is there, around 115 millimeter. So like this, if I select, I will close this. I will add again the total sum of whole year. So this is your heat map. So it is showing here the northeast region. This is the Kerala, Maharashtra, this region, Karnataka. So his rainfall is good over the year here also. So like this, you can basically create the heat map, and here you can basically radius of influence you can increase, and color scale you can increase. It depends on you. Okay, like this you can do. So let me select like this. You can again you can even add a text box, or you want to, if you want to add a title or anything, you can just write anything here. Let me give rainfall heat map 2015. Let me give this only. So you can select and you can keep it like this, and then you can capture the screen and you can copy paste it anywhere. And yeah, this is about it. And you can change the day date again. Let me go for some other date, 200 something. Let me go for, this is showing rainfall is there. So I think you can see in the 3D also, like this. You can create a 3D. Now I will make it a 3D, and I will see it from some different perspective. Here it is, as you can see now. You can select different dates. Let me go for day 1. So even you can exclude based on the attributes like this. So like this, you can see it has excluded the height of the point based on the, and you can change the color always from here. Let me go for some different color. Yeah, this is the good color. You can change the height from here, whatever height you want to give, like this. You can change the thickness. So I think thickness this much is fine. So like this, you can create a map very quickly in Excel. You do not need to download any GIS software or any, and it's looking very good. Very nice map. This is for some, if you, I select, let me select for whole year. So now you can see here the rainfall is pretty good. Just decrease the thickness. So like this, very quickly you can create a map out of it using the Excel only. You can always change the theme, as I already told you. You can use the aerial imagery on as a base map like this, but I think this looks much better. So again, you can capture the screen anywhere, anytime, and you can So this is about it. If you have latitude longitude data, and if you have any state data or any administrative data, how to create this. Now I will show you time series animation, how to create a time series animation also. If you have data at regular time intervals such as COVID, like I have India COVID data, like this is a COVID data, state level COVID data for India country. As you can see, this is the state level data, and also the date is there, and this is the confirmed cases. So basically, if you have data for each and every day, so you can create time series kind of map also. I'll show you how. So first we will select all the data like this, then we'll go for insert, then 3D map. So like this, it has opened the data. So by default, it is one by one, it is mapping, as you can see, using the Bing data, it is geocoding it. So automatically it has taken the state level data. But if you want to basically map it through some shape file, so what you can do, you can select the custom region. So you can join your shape file with the attributes. So you can select yes, and you can go to the shape file. Like vector data, this is my India shape file. So now it is joining it. It will ask you the attribute inside the shapefile, which is having the state name, and just import it. So I think it has imported it, and you just select here. So it has joined the data. So you have both the option. Either you can use the geocoding, either you can use the local data also for mapping. So what I will do, I will select the state only here. I will delete it. I will add a field. So no need of shapefile if you are able to geocode the data in the Excel only. So just select. So one by one, it is doing it. So like this you can do, and after that you can basically categorize based on anything such as state. So it will give this different color to the different state, as I've shown you in the earlier also. Let me go for flat map. And yes, I want to show you about the time series. Okay, so here is the option of time also. You can add date. You select the date. So here, as you can see here, date has come. Now you select the value, like confirmed cases, it is sum. So right now what I am having, basically I have the cumulative data up to that date. So this total figure may not be correct. So in your case, if you have daily data, like on 30th data is there, 31st what are the number of cases, and on first what are the number of cases, on second what are the number of cases. So now then it will create a sum. That depends on you. You want sum, you want average, what count, whatever you want. So in my case, data is already cumulative, so it will not show a right number. I will show you on another data, but let me just show you how it works first. So here in the layer option, you can select the color. Let me go for red. You can select the color like this, or you can make it like this, whatever it is. And now if you do like this, so it will create an animation kind of thing like this. It will change the color based on the date, as date is also moving here. So like this you can do, and on the settings you can create, you can increase or decrease the duration. You can increase it if you want to slow, transition effect, start date, speed, lot of things you can change. Based on the speed it is changing, as you can see, 10 seconds automatically it will adjust the speed. So like this you can create an animation here. Okay, if you want to create an animation of this, so you can select like this, and you can create the size. You can increase the size like this. You can create thickness, doesn't matter. Now if you create this, so it will increase the like this. So you can, if you want to do the both the things, so you can add layer, and you switch off this. Okay, and you in the layer 2 just select the polygon, and just select the timestamp, date, and values confirmed cases, and the layer option, you can change the color also. Let me go for this. Okay, let me delete this. Let me make it small like this. Now if you run this, so both the things will work now. Just make it like this. So now circle will also come, color will also come. So both the things like this, you can create an animation. And if you want to export it as a video, you can create a video like this for presentation and whatever. You can select the suitable resolution of the video, create, you can save the video like this. So it is creating your video. This could take a few minutes, so it may take some time to create a video. So I will cancel it, otherwise it will take too much. Okay, let it create the video. So I think it has created a video like this, as you can see. So you can create a video very quickly like this. You can save a video. So you do not need anything, only you need Excel for create time series animation also. Like this, what you can do, let me go for this one, bar chart. Okay, this is okay. For first layer, what I will do, bar chart. So now I will make it a 3D like this. What you can do, you can zoom it here, and what you can do now, you can categorize the color of the bar based on the state. Select it. Okay, sorry, it's fine. I have to change for layer 1, sorry. So now it has changed the color for this. So now you can increase the height here like this. You can increase the width like this. Okay, so now if you run, what it will do, it will increase the height of the bar also, and it will change the color also. So both the things it can do like this, and you can simply play tool, keep on playing. You can play tool like this. And you can adjust the speed as I told you like this. Scene name you can give, anything you can give, and you can add text also here, title and everything, and you can create video. Quick export for mobile, it will create very quickly. Tool 1, let me give it the same name. Okay, let me change the name. So as you can see now, it has exported the video. Tool 2. So it's a very low resolution because I have exported in very low resolution. You can export high quality also, 1080p also. So it can create. So also you can switch on, switch off. You can keep only one layer also, depends on you what you want. Okay, so this is about it, and you can even capture the screen. If you want to capture the screen, you can capture the screen for this. So this is it, I think. Okay, I will show you for one more data, like if you have word level data, like I have this. So like this, if you have any word level data, country wise data, for that also you can do. So let me, okay, what you can do, you can go to insert again, similarly for 3D maps. So the location field is for the country name, total cases, and then new cases. So these are all the fields it has mapped. So now you can see here, it is geocoding all the names. It is processing it. Okay, now processing has been completed. So automatically it has taken the country region, and field name is automatically taken as location. You can delete it and you can add also. With 91% confidence report is there. And after that, if you select on this polygon, So as it may take some time because there are 224 values of the polygon, so it may take some time. So like this, one by one it is mapping. So you can even categorize it based on the similar, like if you select the location, because location was the field for this. So you select location, so it will give the different color to the different country. So it may take some time, or you can basically just I wanted to show you how it will do basically. So now it has given different color to the different one. From here you can basically delete, if you want to delete the lesion, you can delete the lesion also, no problem. If you want to capture the screen, you can capture the screen like this. So you have created a map of whole world country wise. And similarly, you want to, based on the value you can do, so you select whatever value you want, new cases, new death, total cases. So we will make map on the total cases. So this is on the based on the total cases. You can change the color from here. Let me give it red. Color scale you can change, depend on you, like this. So similarly for this also you can create this kind of map, and you can size of it like this, and you can add another layer, and here you can make a polygon. So you have both the layers, polygons and everything, like this also. You can you can select the field for value field. Total cases, total death also, for anything on the base of any field you can do. Or if you want there is a population also, so based on the population also you can, like this is the population, so based on the population for it can do also. So let me go for total cases only. Give it a red color. And this also you can give any different color. Let me give it for blue. So like this you can create a map. You can zoom it to. So like this, if you have data for any country at any administrative level, automatically it will geocode. Otherwise you can basically join with your shapefile also here, country region. And if your latitude longitude data of any temperature, then also you can do. And you can create a bar chart also. Similarly, that you have to give the height based on here it's a height. So total cases, you can increase the height like this, you can increase the thickness of it. Then you have to make it a 3D kind of thing, then only you will be able to visualize it properly like this, as you can see. So I think that's it guys from this video. I think this video will be very informative for you. It will help you. So the idea of this video was to quickly create a map for any presentation or anything. You need not to download any GIS software for creating a map. You can create all these kind of map using Excel only. Just you need Excel and you need data. So thank you guys, thanks for watching this video, and please give a like to this video if you liked it. Please subscribe the channel also.